Hello everyone, this is Chirag Shah from third year of Electrical Engineering Department of ASSMS College of Engineering Pune. Today we are going to see a circuit made by using Tinkercad software, and we have made use of the Arduino Uno R3 board. Let's take a look at the circuit first. This is the Arduino Uno board. For the input sensors, we have made use of IR remote and IR receiver. To check the output, we have connected four different elements. First one is a bulb, LED. Second one is a bulb. Third one is a DC motor, and fourth one is a buzzer. Let's take a look at the circuit first. We have taken use of the second to fifth port of the Arduino Uno R3. The second one is using the buzzer. The third one is using the DC motor. The fourth one is making use of this bulb, and the fifth one is making use of LED. For the IR receiver, we have given the ground connection and the power connection through the breadboard individually, and for the receiving port we have chosen the port of 11th. So this is the total circuit. Now we are going to look at the code I have written. In this, we are making use of the IR remote directory, specially programmed for the Arduino Uno base. In the first part, we are defining the pins. That means for which port, what we are going to make use of. For fifth one is LED, and similarly for fourth, third, second, and 11th, these are LED bulbs, motor, buzzer, and the receiving port of IR receiver. After that, in this part, we are defining these ports as an output port. So that means after the operation, they will generating a voltage across them. In this part, we are enabling the IR uses. That means we are setting a bandwidth that is 9600, and after that enabling IRN, and we are enabling the transmission and reception of the Arduino Uno. In this part of the program, we have made a sequence that after the pressing of the character, that is first button, second button, third button, or the fourth button, what will happen. For the after the pressing of the first button, we will change the LED to the high, and after the delay of 500 bits, we have turned the LED to low. Similarly, after the every case, that is for the second, third, and fourth button, we have assigned a program to turn the bulb on and off, to run the motor on and off, and to sound the buzzer on and off. So this is the program. Now we will check the circuit functioning after simulation. So the IR is Arduino Uno is connected to the power, and the run code is running. So after I press the first button of this remote, there is a slight change in LED glowing, as you can see. After the delay, it has come to delay, it has turned off. When I press the second button, the bulb is glowing. You can see clearly here. After the delay, this will turn off too. When I press the third button, the DC motor will start rotating, and here we can see the shaft rotating in a direction. And for the fourth, when I press the button, the buzzer will ring. So I have connected a simple buzzer, that's why it is not sounding in a melodic tone. If we program it under the different case, we can change the sound pattern also. So this was the total project. For the first, second, and third, and fourth key, we are controlling the making use of these all output sensors, and this was the total project. Thank you so much.